Have you wanted to get started learning Azure but you're not quite sure where to start? Then you need to check out Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn is an area on docs.microsoft.com that is entirely focused around education rather than technical reference content. Head over to docs.microsoft.com and click on the Learn tab at the very top to get to the Microsoft Learn homepage. Microsoft Learn is a hub for learning content, including modules and learning paths, information around the official Microsoft certifications, and a curated video platform called LearnTV. You have these different topics divided into modules, and those modules may form a learning path. As I scroll down, you can see that there are a selection of modules available. We can also navigate across the catalogue of content available in Microsoft Learn. Now, this isn't just limited to Azure. There's content focused on Dynamics 365, Microsoft 365, GitHub, Azure, and more. You can filter that content based upon the role, the level, the product, and whether you're looking for modules or learning paths. This allows you to find the content that is relevant for your role and the area that you would like to continue developing. When we review a learning path, we can see that each of the modules have an amount of XP associated with them. This is one of the things that I love about Microsoft Learn, the fact that learning is gamified. You can go ahead and sign in to your own account to track your progress. For example, you can see that I am currently at level 10 and only a few thousand points away from reaching level 11. I could go ahead and complete this learning path to continue gaining XP and growing my understanding of a topic. Now, this is just one part of Microsoft Learn. When selecting the role drop-down at the top, it will show you the modules and learning paths which are suited to that particular role. Alongside that, we also have information about certifications. Certifications are typically focused on a given persona or role. For example, the Developer Associate exam. When we scroll down further on the certification page, we can see the learning paths that are relevant for the skill requirements of that certification. A great recent addition is that you can renew some Microsoft certifications through Microsoft Learn by using a renewal assessment, rather than having to take the full certification exam once again. You can probably see that Microsoft Learn is really becoming this portal or this hub focused on learning or education, whereas Microsoft Docs is focused on the technical reference content for the products. LearnTV is another area of Microsoft Learn. The clue is in the name. It looks and feels like a broadcasting education channel. Not everyone necessarily learns through reading or quizzes, so there is this video-based learning platform available as well. You can see that there is featured content, and there is also a schedule for LearnTV housed on the left-hand side. The content is curated and kept up to date so that you can be taking in the latest and greatest information as you build up your skills.